Other tinted moisturizers, oh, that sounds so stupid. That's the uniqueness. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, it's about to fall over. There's no there's no junk in. Ah, that sounds so cheesy. I have a height. Where's my dog? Oh. I want to say hey guys. Why does my voice crack? I want to say it's been. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. So as always, you guys know at the end of each month, I always come out with my favorites video, and that has been consistent for quite some time. I mean, I think I'm on I want to say it's about 2 years since I've been doing the monthly favorites at the end of each month. So I am so proud of myself for being consistent on that for you guys. As always, I'll put everything down in the info box for you guys, so let's move on to my favorites. Besides my current favorites, I got this new t-shirt that says, even my coffee needs coffee. So if you guys are a coffee lover like me, thumbs up this video. Alright, the first thing we're gonna talk about is my hair. I don't know if you guys noticed or may have or not, I don't know. I have been in a hair rut for quite some time since the gray platinum had faded. The colors just became more blonde, which means more yellow, which I dislike a lot. I dislike this brassy, yellow color gold. It was very hard for me to maintain this platinum blonde, which means more like white blonde, not like yellow blonde. So my ends processed a lot easier than the mid shaft. Part of my hair has more warmth, which means red, which I don't like. So instead of processing my hair again and damaging it, I was on the fence if I should redo it or darken it, because I'm going on a trip and I was just like, what am I gonna do with my hair? So instead of going back to my hair girl, which I do love, and I will go back to you soon. So I kind of held off coloring my hair because I didn't want to reprocess it, but I was gonna go see my girl maybe towards fall when I can actually darken it and have her do it. So I needed to do something at home, and I've been using this Pravana, which is a silver toner, which works so well. It actually brought my hair back into life. It got some grays, some blues, and like cool tones to it, but it just doesn't last long. Of course, in between, you need to maintain it by using purple shampoo. This is one of my favorite purple shampoos. It works really well, it smells good, but I felt like it just maintain that yellow. Even though it's like a no yellow toning shampoo, I still felt like there was so much yellow that just didn't want to wash off. Like it didn't want to cancel out. Even before that gray started to fade, I was actually using Redken too. Redken also has this gray shampoo that actually helps with the gray. But again, I just felt like it just plateaued or it just didn't really work anymore. So that's why I jumped over to the Kenra and I was like, you know what? That yellow stuff is still in there. I just felt like using all these shampoos didn't really do anything. And I'm like, I guess I'm just gonna go on my trip like this. I just felt like that yellowness was still in my hair and I just didn't know how to get rid of it. Thankfully, another makeup artist friend of mine introduced me to this new purple shampoo, which did wonders. I literally used this today in my hair for the first time. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it really gave the blondes more of a gray cool tone. It's not as yellow as it was. Sadly, I did not do a before and after picture because I was just so eager to use this. But I'll insert a picture of a photographer who took a picture of me when I was doing makeup and my hair was like, yellow girl. Anyways, this is my first favorite. This is a no yellow toning purple shampoo. And I mean purple. When I say purple, it is purple. The other shampoo that I use is purple, but it wasn't as purple as this. It's a purple shampoo, but I felt like this purple is like a clear purple, whereas this is like real purple. This is so real purple that it actually toned my hair. Like, if I don't wash this off, my hand's gonna turn purple. But this stuff does the trick. I only left this on for like 2 minutes because I was kind of scared it was gonna turn colors, but you can already tell it's a little bit more cool and gray color. Maybe in the next 4 days, I'm gonna use this again, but I'm gonna leave it on my hair a lot longer, see how much it can actually tone all this stuff out to become more gray. You guys know I did a demo and review on this, so if you guys haven't seen it, I'll go ahead and put that link down below for you guys. This is a new Pat McGrath foundation. I love this formulation. Now this is in the color 12, which I originally I believe I got a 10 or 11. I want to say closer to 10. I got color match from one of the girls from Sephora and it actually came out to be really, really light. Had to like bronze up my skin because I look so fair. Now this color here is number 12, which I feel like it's a little bit warmer, but I think I need to exchange it for a 14. Which I am SOL because right now is VIB promo and all the shades from like 12 to 16 is like out. I'm wearing the 12 today. I feel like it worked a little bit better, but I think the 14 favors in my skin a little bit more. So we'll see. And I'm going on vacation in hopes I get another tan. Hopefully I could be like a 19. Regardless, this is an amazing foundation. If you guys didn't know, Pat McGrath actually helped create the foundation Luminous Silk by Giorgio Armani, which I am a big fan of, which I need to get a new shade of that too. But I think that's why this foundation is really good and a lot of people like, but it is so nice, guys. I'm a combo skin, but I still feel like if you hydrate properly and use a good primer, this will work on you. Guys, I finally found a overall pair of shorts. I've actually been looking for some overall shorts like for a minute. Once you're out there and you're trying to find it, you can't find it. And of course, the times when I'm shopping and I'm not really looking for it, it's like there for you to see. I wore this outfit in my recent video, which is my back to school outfit ideas and tips and tricks on some affordable makeup. If you guys haven't seen that video, you guys may want to because that back to school video has a back to school giveaway. All right, so this is by Rag & Bone. This is a really cute light colored denim overall shorts. It's cute. It has like little fringes on the bottom. It's not too like sparse, but I think as you wash it, it may get loose. I really do like this material. This color is perfect. It has pockets. You can adjust it on the sides. You can open it or close it if you like. Adjustable straps, which I really do like. The material's not too thick, but it's not too thin, which would be perfect on vacations and hot weather. And I love the pockets at the front because I could put my little snacks, my lunch money, and of course my phone. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so good. I don't know if you guys heard or tried anything from NudeStix. First off, they are a clean line, vegan, cruelty-free. There's no harsh chemicals in this product, and this is just one of my ultimate favorites. So I've never tried any complexion from NudeStix, but once they came out with this tinted moisturizer, I believe this product here knocks all the tinted moisturizers that I've tried in the world out of the park. Like seriously, this is such an amazing formulation. The package is a nice squeezy tube, but it has a pump. Another big plus on this. You can just pump whatever you need. You don't have to squeeze it and just like everything just comes out everywhere. It's such a beautiful and amazing formulation. It just does the trick. The only downside of this is that it doesn't have any sunscreen for those who do love having products that has sunscreen. Again, I'm a big separate sunscreen product type of person. However, it would have been another bonus if it had at least SPF 15, but the formulation is so good, guys. You guys know it's gonna be super hot when I'm in Manila, guys. I mean, anywhere in the islands there, yes, it's gonna be hot. So I got myself a fan. This is not just a regular fan, guys, but this is a hands-free fan. So I'm gonna put it on around my neck. So it's cool because it has 3 speeds. So here's the first one. What's nice about it is that you can swivel it around. You can face it to you. You can face it to yourself and maybe a friend who's sitting next to you. Here's speed 2. And you can see my baby hairs, it's moving. And here's the final speed. See, if you want to have a party, you turn on your LED lights. And it just changes colors. It's so cool. Oh, I love this. Basically, you can swivel it around. You can actually wear it this side. So if you were in the sun and your décolleté and your body's just super hot, you could do that. But keep in mind, girls with long hair, you might want to tie up your hair because you don't want to get that caught. You wear it face forward like you should be wearing it, and yeah, your hair should not get caught in it. And if your fingers get caught in it, it's a plastic fan, so it's not gonna hurt you. But yeah, note to self, keep your hair away from the fan. The last thing I have is this new handbag. I got this new handbag and it is so freaking cute. So I don't know what material this is. This is a handcrafted item, therefore slight differences in size, color may occur in the processing of making because it's all unique. That is the uniqueness of being handmade. Please take special care. Now this is kind of like, I don't know if it's like wickered, or I don't know what material this would be called. I love the roundness and style of this. It's very unique. It has a button and you open it, it looks like a little picnic basket. Look how cute this is. I think this is so cute for the summer, even if I'm going vacationing, because it's so like Greece-like, Bali. It's just so like beach life and it's just so cute. You can put a lot of things in here. It doesn't have an adjustable strap, but I feel like since I have a short torso, it actually is perfect for me. Even if I wear it crossbody, it would be a perfect length for me. Now, what's really unique about these bags is that they are made in Bali, and I believe every purchase of this, the proceeds goes back to their hometown, so it's a really great cause. So this is such an amazing buy. This bag was actually purchased at Urban Outfitters. There is another company called Ameri, A-M-E-R-I-I. I'll go ahead and put that link down below. But they are another company that actually sells these bags too, so I'm wondering if they're related to that company. But anyways, it was a good cause to purchase this for myself and for them, so you know, 2 for 1. Alright guys, that is it for my monthly favorites. Comment below some of your favorites, guys. I love reading your comments. Don't forget, I have a few more videos coming up. I have a what's in my skin fridge tour. I have another pack with me as I'm going back to Asia. I'm excited because we're going back home for a wedding. I'm getting a dress made. I'm really excited because I have a lot of things going on, and of course I'll talk more in that video, and of course I'll do some vloggings. Don't forget, I have that McGrath video down below for you guys, as well as that back to school with that giveaway video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!